What is up, everybody? Crustless Crypto here, back in a video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. I am doing a $100 EGLD giveaway for my 1,000 subscriber mark. Results are going to be coming out tomorrow, 10 p.m. Japanese Standard Time on Friday. So make sure you guys go to this card video that is above me here and make sure you guys do what you need to in order to be eligible to win $100 worth of EGLD. I do have a website, crustlesscrypto.com. Please bookmark it, check it out if you want to. Also, make sure you guys are following me on my Twitter at crustlesscrypto. Let's pump these numbers up. Now, guys, jumping right into the price here, I'm going to be taking a look at Elrond again. As you can see from my shirt here, it's sitting at $322. What is very interesting, even though that the chart says it's down 3% today, when we actually look at this morning at 6:24, Elrond was sitting at $295 that had dropped. And then guess what happened, guys? Not even 6-7 hours later, it returned all the way back up to $330. So it seemed to me like there was a whale or somebody dumped, but it got immediately bought back. And as DivExpand says here, look at the volume on the EGLD hourly chart during/after the dip. Low volume moved the price down. Then people swooped in, bought all the EGLD for sale at low prices, and set the highest hourly volume seen all week. This means people saw an opportunity to buy and took it. Now, guys, that was a very perfect time to buy when it dipped down here to around $295. A nice 10-20% dip. This is what I'm talking about here. Taking opportunities like this and turning it into possible steals on accumulating more EGLD in this case, right? So very awesome to me. That shows how strong the ecosystem is. This ain't a pump and dumps coin. It's going to have these healthy corrections, but then it's going to get immediately bought back because people are starting to realize the value and the potential of this network, of this coin. That's the number one reason why I cover it mainly on my video. I am Crustless Crypto. I do cover other videos, but for this specific one, yes, it is, some of my holdings is on Elrond, but that's not the only reason why, guys. I follow coins, I follow projects, I follow technology that are one of the best in the game here, and that is why I do so much videos covering EGLD. Huge milestone, guys. Coming from Lucy and Minku, 10 million transactions, 888,000 accounts, 3,200 validators, 0 downtime, and congrats to the Elrond network team, validators, and community. We're just getting started. So they hit a huge milestone here, guys. We did 10 million transaction, guys, on the blockchain with 0 downtime. It's truly amazing how momentum and how it can snowball from, starting at the launch of the mainnet, 1, 2, 3 transactions, and finally reaching all the way up to 10 million. In my opinion, it's just going to scale even further and even higher from here, guys, to 100 million, 1 billion, and in the future, next 5 to 10 years, 1 trillion transactions. I fully believe that. So congratulations to everybody here who is a part of the Elrond network and the Elrond team. Now, guys, I want to cover some critical information here about the MEX farming and how to accumulate more MEX. A lot of people are not understanding how to do so. Again, I will give full credit to Wesley Kress because he is the one that compiles the information and puts it out for us. I just want to cover it and give my take on this information. To clarify a few things, there's 4 versions that exist, right? When it comes to the pairings, you have the EGLD and MEX, and then it pays MEX. You have the EGLD and MEX, right? It pays locked MEX, which offers that 2 times rewards. Then you have the EGLD locked MEX paid with MEX, and then you have the EGLD locked MEX paid with the locked MEX 2 times, right? So what he's talking about here, the 1, 2, 3, 4s, right? Each pair equals liquidity pool. Stake is earning 66%, and if MEX, and 33% if locked MEX. Now, when we scroll down to this Twitter post here coming from Chesucation, right? He provides this flow chart. Try to visualize because it might be easier to detect where I'm off. It just seems to me that crop 2A and 2B will remain the same and that we're producing some locked MEX from crop 1 that isn't being used. Breaking it down even further, right? Wesley Kress also posted this. I covered this in a video a couple weeks ago. So correct EGLD MEX, locked MEX. One can also send locked MEX to anyone or another wallet. One just can't swap for it. In the future, I believe one will be able to borrow against their locked MEX, and EGLD. I want to, deep dive into this again to kind of go over it and review it for people who have not seen those videos. Now, You'll earn double APR on all MEX farms if you choose to lock your rewards. Again, guys, if you staked EGLD during the eligible MEX rewards, you'll be able to claim that locked MEX. Your balance can be checked on the Maiar exchange. We should have already claimed your MEX. Make sure you guys have done so. I'll put my video of claiming the MEX in above me here, but make sure you guys have claimed it if you're eligible for it. At the launch of the Maiar decks, you can earn the double APR on all MEX farms if you choose to lock your rewards and earn that locked MEX. What that locked MEX is, it's locked for a year and you wouldn't be able to touch it until that year has passed. How can you use the locked MEX, right? So with the staking feature, the locked MEX in the MEX farm, 4 more MEX or locked MEX for double APR. They want you to sustain the system, right? They want to create that nice liquidity pools as well as not crashing the price of the MEX token when it launches. They want to build value in the token itself. It provides great incentives for people who are with the project, who are with the network from the beginning, early investors. You can add liquidity to liquidity pools as well. The locked MEX is locked in a special smart contract that deposits the equivalent amount of an unlocked MEX on the user's behalf. So make sure you guys are keeping that in mind and remembering that. Every month, which is 30 epochs, right? A new locked MEX is created that will start to be unlocked after 1 year. So again, you multiply 12 times 30. Following the schedule, 16.66% per month, which is the 30 epochs for the next 6 months. This means that there'll be multiple locked MEX tokens with different unlock schedules. So it's based on when you are, staking certain tokens at what times, and it's going to go based off of that, right? So there can be locked MEX number 10, which unlocks in October 2020, for example, and locked MEX number 11 will always have the same value as the spot value of MEX, but they will be gradually unlocked according to a different schedule. Now, to keep things simple, these tokens are periodically merged without affecting the unlock schedule or amounts. This has the benefit of allowing users to manage their locked MEX easier and with less gas costs. So you'll be able to not have to shell out in gas fees, because it's consolidating it. Example, instead of 10 different locked MEX tokens, right, each with 10 different unlock schedules, that can be very confusing, especially for someone who invests every week or every month. Having over 100 or 1,000 different MEX farms with different unlock schedules can be very, very tantalizing. Now you get one token, a semi-fungible token with 10 different unlock schedules. The unlock schedules remain the same, and unlocked MEX will be released towards the users as planned. And that makes total sense, guys. So basically what's going to happen, it's going to be contained in a single SFT. Each locked MEX token is going to have its own unlock schedule based on when it was accumulated and when it was generated. So that is very smart of the Elrond network team to develop these smart contracts to be able to interact with the system in this way. Again, Wesley Kress, thank you for this, and I hope you guys understand this flow chart. If you guys have any questions, make sure you let me know or just hit up Wesley Kress directly. Now, relating to the MEX tokens, right? I've had a couple people bring this up to my attention, so I posted it on my Twitter. Alert, everybody needs to be watching out for these scams. Do not give out your seed phrases to anybody. So what's happening here? You have these people sending like 0.0001 EGLD to people's wallets on the Maiar app. And what is going on here is they're saying, congrats, you won 20 EGLD in the Elrond lottery, and to claim and validate your gain, please access this website. Now with this website, it takes you to a website that asks for your seed phrase. Guys, no one will ever ask for your seed phrases, even the developers, even the Elrond network. All they need is your wallet address. I mean, we've seen that from the MEX tokens. Please, guys, be aware of this scam that's being out right now. Looking at this, right, access your wallet. This is literally, the website's even spelled wrong. Elrond. People will try to scam you nowadays. And again, it's asking for your 24-word recovery seed. This is ridiculous. I mean, the scams out here are ridiculous. So guys, make sure you guys are paying attention to the web URL whenever you're logging into your wallet, making sure that if somebody is doing a giveaway or saying you want a certain amount of coins, make sure they're not asking for your seed phrase. So again, thank you guys for bringing this up to my attention, and make sure you guys are being safe out there, because this is your money and you need to be able to protect your money from thieves out there. I mean, scams are rampant in the crypto space. I don't know if Benjamin Minku and his team can fix this or find a way to kind of mitigate this, but make sure you guys are aware that stuff like this is happening even in the Elrond community and Elrond network. Now, guys, moving away from MEX farming, right, and the mechanisms behind that, I want to go back into NFTs that are minted on the Elrond network. So I'm going back into Maiar Punks here. They have released some updates, right? So they minted and they have minted a lot of the Maiar NFTs, and a lot of them are awesome. Now, I went onto their eMoon.space collection, right, and they actually have it here offered for sale. So when we look at this website, right, the eMoon.space, you can actually connect your Maiar app to it and your Elrond web wallet. So you can actually start purchasing NFTs if you may so desire. We can see here all the different selections, and some of them are selling for $3,000, some are selling for $1,200, and I like the ones with the lightsabers. I think these are really cool. But for me, if I'm gonna buy one of these Maiar Punks, or if somebody wants to give one to me, that'd be awesome. But no, for real though, I'd probably do something like this with the shades, and I want the beard. The Maiar NFT that I would like has to have a beard, and honestly, if it would have a staff as well, I think that would be cool as well. The lightsabers are legit, and those sell for a little bit more, or a lot more. But awesome stuff, guys. You guys really made, I'm talking about the Maiar Punks team, really made a diverse set of NFTs, and there's a lot to choose from. So yeah, oh my gosh, this one's going for $20,000, 64 EGLD. So I mean, if you guys are interested, make sure you guys go and check it out. You can actually connect your wallet, I believe, and start purchasing. So make sure you guys are doing that. So keep up the good work, guys. Another NFT I have been looking at is eSpace NFT. And they, I covered this in a previous video, but I want to kind of get back into it as well and see what's new. Now, important information regarding their cell launch has been posted as of 2 hours ago. Now, as you're probably aware of, we're trying to offer our community a full Maiar Connect integration, and we think you deserve the best user experience. We're countering last-minute unexpected issues in the development, so we took the decision as a team to slightly postpone the launch. Our devs have worked hard all night and are still at it to guarantee the cell meets our quality standards. We're all making our best to speed up this process, but we won't compromise on the quality, and thus the initial deadline has to be delayed, but we will be sure to let you know whenever we have news to share. Although it was a harsh decision for us, we prefer to double check the shuttle before launch. And meanwhile, we're about to launch a new giveaway of 0.5 EGLD, and what we can already say is that every member of our eSpace crew has a chance to win. Stay tuned. So honestly, guys, that transparency is awesome. The way that they type it on the letterhead and just pump it out, just saying to their, community, saying to their supporters, hey, unfortunately, we're unable to meet this deadline, but we will be giving a giveaway. So that's awesome on you guys, eSpace NFT team. I respect that 100%, and you guys take your time. You know what I'm saying? I'm sure your community will understand that. Now, scrolling down to some of their kind of NFTs, this is pretty cool. This little alien thing coming out of the astronaut helmet. If we click on their eSpace NFT collection, they do have a nice array of different NFTs here with astronaut theme. That alien one's going for 0.25 EGLD. I actually am going to scoop one up just based on the diversity of the various different. This one's got a Santa hat on it, so a very, very vast array of ENFTs, and this is real cool, and it's good to see the updates that each different project is having. Look at this collection. I mean, I'm continuing to scroll, and there's just so much different eSpace NFTs. So keep up the good work, guys. I think you guys minted 1,000 or more, so that's pretty awesome. Another NFT I was looking at here is the Ninja Elrond NFT. It's a collection of NFT Elrond Ninja and mechas, and we're a team that decided to start a new collection of NFTs on Ninja, and we take our time to build something big. So this is a new NFT, project as well, guys. I like the incentivization of NFT creators, just coming out here and, getting to work, putting their creative mindsets to use. And this actually looks cool. I don't know what exactly, it kind of looks like a robot ninja. I don't know. It's a little blurry because they don't want to show you, but our first NFT of this collection, there will be 200 for 0.29 EGLD each one, 8 p.m. I believe the 14th of November, Sunday. So yeah, I'm pretty sure. So be ready. Now, they didn't show us exactly what it looks like, but it does look cool just from this kind of like the silhouette, and like that nice dark blue is pretty cool. So you guys keep it up as well, and I'll be looking forward to see what you guys have coming out. We also have another NFT project here. It's called the NFT Artwork, a project for the Elrond Network community, Elrond Network team, and Elrond legends, the NFT art and different technical approaches. So again, staying tuned as well. This is all new. Now, if we scroll down here, they do have a Telegram and they do have a giveaway going on right now. So make sure you guys are participating in the giveaway if you are interested. Also, they did give a sneak peek yesterday for the next NFT collection. The Lord of the Rings is coming to the Elrond network. The art technique used is drawing, and only 250 editions will be minted as the community voted. You vote and we deliver. So as we can see here, they hand draw this stuff. So this is pretty amazing. And it looks kind of, I think he's doing Benjamin Minku now, but I mean, the stuff that technology has enabled us to do, you know, coming from, you know, just drawing on a pen and paper or painting like how Picasso did, and now we can literally create digital artwork with our hands. I mean, that's amazing. And, you know, hopefully one day I get to see holograms in my lifetime. Just some kind of food for thought here coming from Florin Kojokaru. Hopefully I pronounced that right. Morgan Stanley mentioned EGLD in one of his reports. Elrond is on the spotlight, shining and rising every day. Hashtag Elrond around the world and hashtag Elrond network. So the battle of the blockchains, guys. Some cryptos offer a different payment transaction network blockchain with new entrants saying they can't complete transactions faster or cheaper. So again, right, Ethereum and Bitcoin, with Ethereum super expensive gas fees, and Bitcoin does take a while to send from one wallet to another. You have these contenders, Elrond sitting down there. Now I do know for a fact that the transaction speed is faster than this, and they do have some outdated information. But the fact that Elrond's listed on there, it's, you know, it's on their radar, and it's giving some kind of publicity and some awareness out there, like, hey, Elrond's out here competing with these big time cryptos. It's pretty awesome. So when you got Morgan Stanley shouting us out, or shouting the Elrond team out in the Elrond network, that is always pretty cool. So guys, with all that said, I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know what you guys think in the comments section down below, whether it's the NFTs or the fact that Elrond bounced back from a nice dip today. I appreciate you guys for watching this video. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Have a good one.